Alrighty, so we've made it to Boulder right now. We actually, our first night, we slept in the mountains in Salinas at a rest area. Pretty cool, very scenic. And then once we got over the hill into Denver, we stopped at Union Station, got a drink there with some, what was it? Brussels sprouts, amazing. And then
very classy inside.
Super classy. And then after that, we went straight from there to Boulder, and we stopped at actually this place right here called My Neighbor Felix, right there in the corner. Super good, drinks were amazing, food was amazing, and everywhere that we've gone as far as the service, super nice.
Super good looking.
But after My Neighbor Felix, we actually went down and walked Boulder, Pearl Street. And then we stopped with, I saw this group of people playing hacky sack. I'm all, I have to do this. It had literally been over 20 years, like 1995 to 99, I played hacky sack all the time. 99 was the last time I ever played. And then I just played with them last night. It was so much fun.
His opening line was, it's been 20 years since I've done this. And I'm like, it's been since 99 since I've done this. I'm like, I'm sure these boys aren't even born yet.
It made me feel old. Not to mention the fact that when I told them this, they said, oh, you're pretty agile. We're going to continue. So again, this is the second day, and we're just going to continue walking down Pearl Street right now and get some souvenirs. Yeah, good times.
Yep.
Alrighty, so here we are. We spent the night last night at a random spot on the side of the road in Lafayette, but prior to that, we stopped at Acreage by Stems, had dinner and cider. It was phenomenal. They have an awesome little spot overlooking Lafayette. Great place to be at sunset and even at night with a view of the stars. Freaking awesome. Highly recommend it. Now we're going to swap out our tires, put some winter tires on, then we're going to head up to Keystone and do some snowboarding. Why don't you tell them about your little fascination, not with the guys of Boulder, but the street performer?
Oh my gosh, Master Blaster G.
Yes.
He's awesome. Look him up, because I have some videos of him on my phone, and I look at them every day because he gives me life.
In a star-spangled rodeo.
He's just like so happy and full of life and just seems genuinely happy that it's like contagious. And
she's completely head over heels infatuated with him. I'm kind of jealous.
And I just looked him up on YouTube. Apparently he was on Ellen when he was 12.
All right, check this out. I'm a little upset with myself. Can you see that kiteboarder out there? I think like right there, the kite just dropped. Dang it. All right, so this right here is what happens when you send me to the store for water and I'm hungry. So we have this. I'm sure you've come across this situation to where you go grocery shopping, but you know you shouldn't because you just worked out or you haven't eaten in a while, and then you get all kinds of goodies that you wouldn't normally get. So yeah, these triple chocolate muffins, amazing. Also got some oatmeal cookies with raisin, and they're great too. All right, so we just finished up with the first half of the day. We did about 3 runs, and we're feeling pretty darn famished because we really didn't have a big lunch or a big breakfast. So now we put everything in the van and we're gonna head to Zuma's, right?
Zuma's Roadhouse.
Zuma's Roadhouse, get our Montezuma burgers.
Yeah.
They're absolutely amazing.
And spicy margaritas.
Definitely hit the spot.
It is National Margarita Day.
All right, so we didn't get first chair this morning, but we did get first chair on the restaurant. It didn't open until 1 p.m. There was like probably like 20, 25 people in line. We were the first ones in, so pat on our back. It was freezing cold, and they opened 9 minutes late. A little pissed. But we ordered drinks, our Montezuma burgers, Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes, fries. Oh, and she's gonna get some soup right about now. Finally got the drinks. Salud. Look who we ran into. Mike, the man, the myth,
Mr. Dan Ziegler,
the kayaking legend.
Once upon a time, my friend. Once upon a time. Snowflakes coming down too.
Oh, I like that. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
See or no? See or no?
See. How pissed are you at us right now?
like some of the runs.
So Mike over here, he's all, yeah, I'm just gonna take you on some mellow stuff. Double blacks right off the back and stuff. And we actually went on like a green run, and Steph's like, I didn't think there was going to be anything like this today or ever again in my life.
Yeah, because then I feel like I'm somewhat good and somewhat improving, working on my toe side.
No, you know what? She really did hold her own. And then when it came to the easy stuff, oh, she looked like a champ. You want some more double blacks and some double black diamonds?
Double shot.
What's up? Double shot? Shot ski? Shot ski?
Yeah, shot ski.
That's ski.
Shot ski! Oh my god, so. Oh my god, so. In all honesty, by far the best orange chicken we have ever had in our entire lives. Like this is no joke. Check this out. It's absolutely beautiful. It's as beautiful as it tastes. It's heaven for your mouth.
Something, make nothing out of it. Get full of dreams in pockets full of sand.
I'm thoroughly impressed with how well this ProMaster backed out of that snow. I was kind of questioning whether or not I was going to have to pull out the shovel for that. Anyways, today, last morning in Crested Butte. Crested Butte was absolutely amazing. Super stoked about the whole entire experience, from the boarding to the people to the food to visiting my buddy Mike. Everything was just perfect. But now it's time to go home.
Oh, God's in the clouds, holding above it. He can take something, make nothing out of it. He's got a head full of dreams and pockets full of sand. That's the life.